Hello guys, how to calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel on your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily calculate any percentage formula. Here in this video you will find this is a figure, and now we will find out what percentage is 120 of 500. So in the next cell, type equal to, under bracket, click on first cell which you want to take percentage, and thereafter minus second cell, bracket close, forward slash, and first slide total figure which you want to, on which you want to take percentage. This is your percentage. Now we will change this decimal into percent sign. Right click on it and choose format cells. Click on format cells, and here under category choose percentage. Now decimal places, keep it 0 without decimal and press OK. Now your percent is clear, and the formula is first cell minus second cell, C minus D, bracket close, slash, and on which amount on which you want to take percentage. So this is select it and draw it, all the value will automatically placed. Now we will see, if you want to take any fixed percentage of any amount item, then you can choose equal to 60% star mark, and on which number you want to take on 60%. So 500 means 60% of 500 is, so equal to 60% star 3, and draw this cell, and you will easily find 60%, 10%, 20% on which figure you will see here. You can change 60 to 50, 50 to 40, another